Hello. Hello, it's Titan here, and we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. Um, and as you can see, I've played this game before, as evident by the stuff up there. Yeah, this game is probably my favorite mobile game ever. And also was the first mobile game I actually ever played and downloaded. So yeah, I just love this game. Today's video is not going to be too long. It's just going to be no longer than 10, probably not even 10 minutes. Yeah, no, it's just going to be short. I just want to play this because I haven't played it in a while, and I thought, why not record it too, you know? So without further ado, get into it. The guard and his dog always trying to catch me. Never catch me. Never. So, I like I said, I love this game. I played it when I was younger. First game downloaded. I was never like that good at it when I was younger. Back in the day. But I don't know. I just found it very fun. I can go at this for like so long. I think my house score is like 2.8 million, something like that. Yeah, no, I'm probably not even that high compared to others, but I don't know, I find it pretty high, right? It's pretty good of a score. But yeah, I love this game. So much fun. And again, I haven't played it in a while, so it feels so good to get back into it, you know? Man. Yeah, I used to play this game a lot back when I was younger. Um, Me and my cousin, we'd always try to see who'd die first. And honestly, I can never tell who really. Sometimes I'd die first, sometimes he'd die first, and never actually. It was pretty even. We both sucked at the game, pretty much. Um, but yeah, this I've gotten better at it. I don't think he's played it anyway. Uh, yeah, this game is amazing. Yeah, like I said, I've downloaded it. I think back when it was like, still, they didn't have all this stuff when I downloaded it. They used to have the normal power boost and the hoverboard, obviously. And some of the, most of the characters. But obviously it updated, uh, got more stuff, better stuff. Um, and I, it's fun. It's just fun. It's cool to see all the new updates it had. Uh, ah, um, like before when I played this, like it never really went to any other different settings. I guess you could say. Always stayed the same. Frame rate. It had the same setting over and over, and I honestly didn't really mind. Ooh. Yeah, I honestly never really minded it, but um, now with the added, now that they added the world tour, it's pretty cool to see like a different setting every now and then. Because variety, right? Changes it up, changes the style, adds new characters like limited time characters, uh, and limited time like hoverboards and stuff like that. Another jetpack, but yeah, it adds a nice variety to the game. Man. I can go at this. Uh, but Yeah, I just love the game. It's nice. It's an easy, like, quick swipe game, you know? Not too difficult, not too hard. But it's entertaining with all the different powers you can get. You see that up there where it says high score? Yeah, that's Dark Destroyer. He's one of my best friends. He first got me into like YouTube and all that. Pretty good dude. He has his own channel too. He did make a couple videos, and he said he's gonna be making more better videos. Hopefully, he says. Um, as a matter of fact, he is actually editing one of my other friends' videos at the moment. I think you've heard of him. Oh, well, obviously you've heard of him. He was in my past two, well, not past two videos, but my past two PUBG videos. That's right, Kai the Guy. Also, really good friends. Both of them are amazing. You should definitely go check them out. They both, like, one amazing YouTubers, and they try a lot, and, you know, they have all these plans, and they could probably achieve it too with your help, so go subscribe to them. They might not have anything at the moment, not anything really, but they will definitely have a lot of stuff in the future. In the near future, not the far future, the near future. Yeah, they're, check them out, subscribe, enjoy. I think I'll end it next episode. But yeah, definitely go check them out. They're amazing. And the magnet was always like my favorite uh, thing in this game, besides the hoverboard, of course. My favorite combination of power-ups would have to be the magnet, the power boots, and the hoverboard. That's my favorite combo, and best combo in my opinion. Yeah. Let me know down in the comments what's your favorite power-up. Is it the magnet, the power boots, the power jump or whatever? The jump boots, the ones I'm wearing right now. The 4-time score thing that, or the 2-time score, sorry, that doubles your score. Or maybe it's the jetpack, because, easy combo. Very easy combo. And, yeah. Oh, and the board that I'm using is my favorite hoverboard. It is Daredevil. Yeah. Best hoverboard ever. I just like the speed, you know? And, oh, your combo. That lasted like less than a second. And there we go. This game is just, oh, this game is just amazing. I got it, like I said, and then deleted it because I ran out of space for actual stuff, then deleted, then got it again, then deleted it, then I got it. So it's been, kind of a pattern, I guess you could say. I don't know when I'm gonna delete this game again, but I know that if I do delete it, I'll definitely get it back at some point and start playing. Um, I don't plan on making like this a series where I just play freaking Subway Surfers and like for an episode. I was thinking something different. Oh, okay. I was thinking maybe I can choose a different mobile game and then play that. Oh, yeah, just play a different mobile game every episode, you know? Like, start off with Subway Surfers, and then next time a different game, and then next time, you know, change it up. So it's not the same thing. And they're not going to be long, it's just going to be probably the length of this, maybe shorter. So that will wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, subscribe to Kai's Guy and Dark Destroyer. I'll link their channels in the description. And if you like this video, it'd be appreciated if you hit the like button. You don't have to, but it'd be nice, you know? And if you like what you see here, then subscribe for more awesome content. Alright.